Certainly we use the machine in similar ways as our customers, but we also use the machine in much different ways. Because of the horsepower capacity and the stiffness of the Magerle machine, sometimes for research purposes we use it in ways that it wasn't necessarily designed for. When we do that, it's always answered the call and delivered for us and done what we've asked it to do. Saint-Gobain Abrasives is a global leader in abrasive technology. We offer a full line of abrasive products ranging from the highest precision, grinding wheels and dressing tools, to coated abrasives, to thin wheels, to construction products, and everything in between. My name is Robin Bright. I lead the Advanced Application Engineering team here at our Grinding Technology Center in Massachusetts. And really what my team does is focuses on working directly with customers to develop new grinding processes. The Magerle is a key tool for us to do that. We work heavily with customers in aerospace and commercial aviation, military aviation. And really what the Magerle allows us to do is to be really flexible in the types of projects that we can conduct.
My name is Pat Believer. I'm the Director of Strategy, National Accounts, and Application Engineering for Norton Saint-Gobain. Being that we have a very broad marketplace, we need a very broad and flexible grinding center, and we have the Higgins Grinding Technology Center for that. It's composed of multiple machine tools, including the Magerle that we're talking about today, but it's very flexible and capable of mimicking any abrasive process in any technology in the North American marketplace.
We purchased the Magerle machine in 2016, and really it was part of our evolution of competency in creep feed grinding. Starting in the mid-1980s, we had a creep feed grinder, actually a blow machine, that we had a lot of great experience with. We were able to develop lots of new products, develop new processes with it, and it really did a good job for us. When it came time to replace that machine, we looked around and said, okay, we want to maintain a lot of these key capabilities that we have, and we want to add a few as well. And that led us to the Magerle MFP 125.
The partnership with United Grinding is important to us because it allows us both access into new customer applications. It gives us a picture of the future of grinding machine capability so we can make sure the products that we make match those grinding machines and the future customer needs. When we grind on the Magerle, it gives us a good view into what's happening, and it allows us to really fine-tune the process for the future materials. It gives us the flexibility to run multiple types of technology in multiple types of applications. It really allows us to mimic and fine-tune and make our products the highest performing that we can.